Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the June Wax Seal Club box. You are going to love it. I can't wait to show it to you, so let's jump in. I am so excited to show you this June box. So the first things I want to show you are the colors. So the thing that is so fun about this subscription is that members get to vote in the Facebook group on which colors they would like to see in the box. These are the 3 colors that are coming in this box, and they are all brand new colors to the shop. They've not been in the shop before. And so we've got Cantaloupe here, Grapefruit, and Sunset. So very bright, very happy summer colors. I love them so much, and they are all brand new to the shop. So we've got some similar oranges and pinks. We have nothing close to this color. These ones are close, but they're different. And so they're such a good set. It's going to be so fun to try some brand new colors with this June Wax Seal Club box. And the next thing you get, so you always get 3 sealing wax sticks and 1 stamp. And so this is the stamp within this box. And it's one that I've designed, and it's a frame stamp. Frame stamps are my absolute favorite, along with minis. I mean, it's hard to choose a favorite. I love them all. But look at this. How gorgeous. It's a rectangle shape. Your first box comes with a handle. If you've already gotten a box in the past, it won't come with the handle. It'll just come with the stamp head. Look at that gorgeous detailing. It's a 2D frame stamp, but it's so nice and thick to frame, and it's going to be so perfect for frame seals. So this is the stamp. It's designed by myself. It's a Be Goods original, so you will not be able to get it anywhere else. So let me show you what it looks like when it's pressed. So you can see this is the Cantaloupe color. We've got Sunset and we've got Grapefruit. But look how gorgeous this frame is with these colors. It is going to be so fun. So many techniques and ideas coming to mind already with these colors in this frame stamp. So the cost of this box is $25 plus shipping. And if you're an existing subscriber, you're going to get these amazing bonuses. And if you're new and you join before Friday, June 12th, you will also get these. But there's 2 crystal clear hot glue sticks and the cutest little set of pressed flowers to make pressed flower sills. So I'm going to be showing you some really fun techniques with these, but you can cut out the interior of the frame, add a flower, and use hot glue over the top. And it's just such a fun technique. So again, this is a bonus, a thank you for everyone who's an existing subscriber. Thank you so much for continuing to get the box. And everyone who's new, if you order by June 12th, you will also get those items. So this stamp, it's so gorgeous, but it's going to be available. You can head to the link in my description below if you would like to get the box. If you're already a subscriber, like I said, thank you so much. I can't wait to show you some really fun techniques that you can do with this stamp. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to join the Wax Seal Club and get the June box, head to begoodslettering.com or click the link in the description below. Make sure to follow and subscribe for more wax seal and lettering videos, tips, and techniques. I'll see you next time.